sorry guys. My other video that I was on didn't work, so I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in here. And like I never get a break from working on this. My friend Abby, she's working on her video. You can go to her channel after this. And my sisters, I have to pack up all their clothes. So I don't know what to get. Literally, but I'm just choosing things. I want stuff that I know I will wear. Like some of the stuff I want is for a good reason. So I have like lots of clothes to put in there. And so it's full. Don't know when that will be. Soon. I'll get it done. Soon. Sorry, I'm stepping over the camera. How to get my stuff. So like I get to bring so many things. Just because like my sisters are glad to have me be their sister because I do everything with them. I always get blamed on by my younger brother, Abram, not Preston. But he always blames anything on me. And it's not me. But like I'm like, I don't care, calm down myself, calm down face. Like I don't like it. Except I have to do it. So if my parents say, oh, you should listen to your family members, you need to go do it. So like I got so much stuff to pick up over. I have to pick clothes, I have to pick things that will fit me. Like mostly nothing will fit me. So I still find things that I like and I want to bring. Love it. So like I like yellow things. I love the color yellow because it's really bright. And like I just never get mostly anything done. So now I'm actually working my best trying to get things organized over here. While my family members are driving around, playing around with their friends, and watching movies. It's like my brother. He wants me to play soccer with him. Like I'm gonna call my friend back afterwards, I guess. So I can't do that. Cause like I have to call my friend back before I play with my soccer with my brother. Crazy cuckoo. Like I have so many family members. I have to play with them. I have to do anything what they want me to do. I just want to accept. It's like all I want to do. Because all my family members want me to play with them. Except I can't. I have to call my friends. I have to do YouTube video. My brother says I never do YouTube videos. I do. I do YouTube videos. Oh yeah. If you guys can notice, I got lipstick on. Let's hope no boys try getting into me. If you boys are in this, please don't try getting me. There's someone. So goodbye. There's boys here. Boys are here watching till this. Just log off. I already have someone in my life. Shoot. Unless if you get. I still like you. But I already have another boy. So give me literally creeping if he comes out. He wasn't having people ask him. So I just remember, and then like I don't have time. La. So like I have like like 16 I think subscribers. And Maya over there, she has 0 I think. And I'm gonna subscribe to her channel again. And Sophia's new channel if I find out what her channel's name is. Except I don't know if I will find out. I feel like. Because no one tells me. So like I probably won't find out if I want to. So I just will find something else. Oh, this is cute. I just found a shirt, guys. See? It's really cute. Oh yeah, I got on the skirt. It's really nice. How long is this? 6 minutes? Wow. The other one that I was working on didn't beat 6 minutes. It was like 1 minute, I think. Like, I got like so many things to get done today. Blah, 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 blah. I got so many things to do. Like, I have things to get ready. I have like got nothing to do mostly. So I have to. I get things done. I have to do it. I have to get paid. Like everything doesn't go right. Things just move on and on and on. So I have to get ready. On and on and on and on. Life goes on and on and on. Actually, I think I'm hurt. So like I learned that from like a video that I watched. So now I just sang it. On and on like all I did not forever. So like I sing this song so many times too. More than the other. I just started singing that one just now. Is I got ants in my pants and I'm ding. I got ants in my pants and I'm dancing like I'm crazy. Like I don't think it's like that, but like people say it is. But I listened to it, so I should know what it's like. Life goes on and on and on and on. Actually, I think I'm hurt. So like I get lots of things done and then I do it. I do. My life just goes on and on and on and on and on. Every single time I have to do something right now. I don't know anymore. Life goes on and on and on and on and on. So like my life goes on and on and on until you die. So like this song was off of this TikTok video off of Minecraft. It's crazy over. Like everybody watches it. I go by, I swipe so many times, I literally see it, so I just watch it. I am like over with every single thing, kind of, but kind of not at the same time. Except, I just don't know. So guys, bye. Hope you guys liked the video. I still got more things to do. Bye. Bye.